Hello everyone, it's Birjees Hussain. Welcome. Today I'm painting a woodland scene in watercolor. The list of colors I'm using are in the description box below, but any colors will do, so do go ahead and use whatever colors you have. The main technique here is the dry brush stroke, but with the brush lying flat against the paper. The idea here is to load your brush with your color and gently sweep it in a downward motion across the surface. Now this technique works best using a round brush on a rough surface, which is the paper I'm using. This is the Saunders Waterford rough paper and it weighs 300 grams. You can also use this technique on the knot surface, which is also called the cold pressed, but you do need to practice a bit to get the right water to paint ratio. I put down the lightest color first, which is in this case yellow ochre, and then I add progressively darker tones. Now, for the tree trunks in the distance, I'm using burnt sienna neat straight from the pan. We're using my number 3 rigger. Now, the bigger tree trunks are painted using various mixes of burnt sienna and ultramarine blue, and burnt sienna, ultramarine blue with a touch of black. Now, I do hope you like this painting, and if you do, please leave a comment, and please give this video a thumbs up, as that helps me with the algorithm. And of course, please don't forget to subscribe. Now I'll leave you with the rest of the painting being done, and in the meantime, I would like to thank you for watching this video. Do stay till the end, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you very much for watching, and please enjoy the rest of the video.